Medicine is such a great path to so many roads and possibilities. Two things I have always been interested in: going to space and clinical research. I always wanted, as Captain Kirk states, to boldly go where no man has gone before. Seems like going to space may not happen, but at least research for the past 25 years has and continues to fulfill my dreams and aspirations. Medicines are such an intricate part of practice of medicine, so why not be right there at the forefront of development? These past couple of years have been the most engaging and fascinating years in drug development as the world furiously developed vaccines and medications for COVID-19. To have been part of the development of some of these medicines and then witness as a clinician the administration of these life-saving drugs has been exhilarating and memorable. Research has also helped me become a better physician to my patients. I was previously Chief Medical Officer at another early clinical research company for about 12 years. My journey at Alta Sciences began as a consultant for complex and first-in-human studies and to develop a program for studies in liver disease, such as NASH and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It didn't take long to transition to the role of PI for complex studies. A couple of years later, I was offered a great opportunity to assume the CMO position. Here we are today, a fantastic journey. I am involved right from the time our business development group presents an RFP. I am part of a team that evaluates feasibility. Once engaged, I'm involved in protocol review or development, execution of study oversight, communicating study progress, being part of the study safety review committee, following up on any study issues, whether positive or negative, and in many instances collaborating on development of scientific publications.